It's good to know things that sometimes over appreciate the situation and say we need a lot of factors and I'm why helpless. Because one who say we any book asem na any law asem. But one ne wuni mu no ne ya detete wo no ya ko school say be wopane be ye medicine na be wopane no akọ school na wie na fe one who say there be say ya de ne ye say ye de AI ne robots bi na be na ade na ma wokra why confused say ne bebre ya esua nyina na ye de the crux of the matter ne say constitution no emma obia obia or the power to exercise discretion under law, the obligation not to exercise that discretion capriciously and I say won't use the discretion not to intimidate somebody. But we have an era whereby political space is so polarized. There is that desire to fall over each other just to please the new administration so that I will not be touched. But even constitutional bodies, security agencies, your friend is saying independent bodies, bodies established by an act of parliament. Ebina na wo kan asem na missing afa na mato ase. Asem ni ho press so prosecutor obi na aban no hu se waye bibi because baby to say OSP one year press conference no or can nema boss said the previous government yentin won timi nya na adwuma maybe OSP me nim the office baby e wo me hwe na ho. So are you getting the point? Google map na dem beko. But the way they will make the thing happen and see Sana President Kufuado ekita kenji na omoso in the face of more resources or more funding bibia, but the moment a new administration comes the as abeye some Ghanaians mentality say I have to run everybody in the previous administration under the bus just to create a semblance of na yomo na me no mo ye adwuma na enso na nya me de na me nka. But if you do that, and so it will come back to bite you, because what is happening under this administration is that they want to totally wipe off the legacy of the previous administration, previous government, everything. They want to wipe it off. Because what I'm seeing now with the first budget and second budget, which will take us into half of the 4-year term of the president, Omumeye Bibia and see why we share ni mo behe o 24-hour economy no sikani bi no mde akoto jet no ye metete electricity so ma. Are you getting the picture? So these prosecutions is keeping the Ghanaian media busy. It's keeping us busy. They be at the Sunday na ya chichiri bi to plate so one of prima facie ho enfo bi a ho ade no ya establish prima facie me no nyina ate ha ye ni baby ade na eko say obi a won see law school da on see court dem da yenim outcome ne dada because politics na do script. Are you getting the thing? You don't have to read the petition. You don't have to hear the other side. And soon baby ade na eko na just say ka say asan wa bibi eni ho e be sachan. But that is the thing I'm say very dangerous for this country. If there is any leader, president or government that is seeking to consolidate all the arms of governments to the extent that they will not give room for dissent, it's a suicide mission.
That's what we're heading towards.
Because Obiba or no so be wiping slate in the clean. Yeah, say about to shad boss. One didn't sakano.
One put the appointing after Mahama lose election.
I'm making one
of the oral bosses.
And we established the office of the special prosecutor at the time. Then he probably break us. I don't know President Okufa NPP ni Okofa Martina Midu. The thinking at the time, the president was not looking for a yes sir massa kind of special prosecutor. Yes, a prosecute corruption cases, dedicated the office to do the investigation and prosecute. He was not looking for friends. He was looking for someone who will not be obliged to to say such and can be he was not looking for someone who will protect NPP appointees. But and I don't think in the current dispensation or under the Fourth Republic, who will have the balls to take such an initiative and say I'm establishing an office to prosecute corruption allegations. I don't want my party member. I don't want someone I'm going to control. And so it is sad.
Because take it secret after what you just said.
It is hard because I see these people saying that where is the prosecutor to fight opponents.
Yes. I mean, the first special prosecutor.
Yes. That's what they're saying. The purpose
fighting with them. So
yes,
Martin will come
and fight them. Yet, Ninya Kishi. And this is the man of fighting. Why?